Today I'm gonna try to read in English. My purpose here is to develop my English, okay? Trying to read a text in English. And the text I'm going to read today, it's from this magazine, the name of SOBRE, Wallonian Brussels. Discover a region that combines technical know-how with quality of life, okay? The title is Dinner Served. And the text today, talking about business briefs. Business briefs, okay? Let's try to read this because I always try to say this in my video, that it's very important to you develop your English. Just try to read. I know that it's very difficult for us, for Brazilian guys, for Brazilian people. It's very difficult to speak English, but we have to try, and we have to try trying to read, try to listen, trying to writing, or trying to speaking, like I'm doing on this video, for example, okay? But let's try to read this small text. Business briefs is the title. While on I think it's so difficult for us to say some kind of words. For example, tro, it's difficult because it's not common in Portuguese. You say, while on physicist Arno Stifa has won his third NASA. I don't know, how can I say NASA in English? NASA, I don't know. Medal for his work studying Mars. Stimpen was a participating scientist in a NASA mission in 2013, which orbited Mars to gather data on its atmosphere and presence of water. He no plans to go into teaching. Austrian airline from Laudamotion. Okay, it was the small text about business briefs, okay? About physicist, I don't know. And the second text is small text. It's about our Austrian airline Laudamotion. Let's see, or let's try to read, okay? A subsidiary of Hanover will begin direct flights from Brussels, South Charleroi Airport to Vienna in October, becoming the ninth passenger airline to serve Charleroi. 108-seater Airbus A320 will operate 6 flights a week. Tickets are already on sale, starting at £20 each way before taxes. Okay, it was the second small text, and now we have to read the last text. And the last text, it's about technology incubator WSL. Technology incubator WSL has been ranked in the top incubators in the world, supporting engineering science projects across Wallonia. It has been recognized by intelligence community UBI Global for the help it offers to teach startups. Director General Agnes Flimal underlined the future hold of deep technology and sustainable and environment-friendly innovation. WSL employs 866 people directly and 2,000 indirectly. Okay, today it was my practical English. Just try to reading, and I have to say to you, it's very difficult. It's not easy. It's difficult to understand. It's difficult to say, but we have to try. I think language is so difficult for us because we don't use. It's not common for us. It's not common. German or Spanish or Italian or English. What else? I think it is very difficult in all kind of language, in my opinion. And the only thing that we have to do is try to practice, because in our day we just use Portuguese. Okay, it's our main language, and we have to use this for everything in our day. But another language, if you want to know, just to know, or just because we need to do something, we have to practice. We have to practice trying to speak, try to reading, or just see this. I think games, it's very good strategy or good things that you improve your English when you play in video games and you talk with someone in English. But if you can take a small text like I do and just try to read, it's very nice too. Okay, it was the video today. I appreciate you watching this video, and I would like to say to you, try to read in English or another language that you want to or would like to learn. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, until the next see you on the next video.